Alright, so everybody, we're at the city center parking garage in White Plains. Yes. This is right here, city center parking garage. We're not gonna ride the mall elevators, but let's see if this is working. This one works. These are Schindler's at Bank B parking garage. The other one is Bank A. I think this elevator is going to be modernized, I'm not sure, but we got this one. Move down to lower level 2. Get Fluttershy until we get to the roof. Indicator burned out. Here we are. This is Circuit City got to go out of business. Alright, let's go to roof. Circuit City went out of business in 2009. But Target is still here. I guess they're gonna keep it, but they forgot to remove Circuit City. Which is an electronics store, but you could see the floors going by. But you couldn't see that much. Here we are. Hear the bell. Alright, watch it close. There he goes. Alright, let's get Fluttershy. We're at the city center parking garage. I hope tomorrow the Zeke Wombat is coming. Yeah. Here's the view of White Plains. That's Neon Place. Here's the Mitchell Apartments. This one right here. New York Life. This parking garage reminds me of an observation deck, but it's only, I think, 10 stories. I don't know how many floors, but we'll check the signs. We're gonna go right the other one when we get to the... Alright, let's go back down. Go to ground floor. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 floors, I think. Get a cab view. There's a fan. I don't know if it is a shaft or it's just a fan. Alright, here we are, the ground floor. Alright, let's go right the other elevator. Watch it close. There we goes. Finally have a 10% battery, so I need to get my charger. But at least we got the elevator, so that's it. Hear the bell. Now for the down chime. Alright, hear the down chime. Alright, that's it. Alright, watch it. One more closed doors, and there he goes. And that's it. Those escalators don't work anymore, but let's go ride this one. They used to operate, but they don't have any money for the Schindler escalators. Alright, this is the elevator at the Bank A City Center parking garage in White Plains. We're gonna go start down first. I think I hear the bell. Oh, it's this one. Alright, here we are. Let's go down to L2. After this location, focus camera, there's a new restaurant coming in White Plains. It's called Home Fright. We're gonna go there next. After this, we'll go up to P7 to get a view. Here we are, L2. Let's go to P7. Here's your phone. Well, we're not gonna open it since there is no opening lever. I don't know. But I'm afraid it might ring, so we're not going to open it. It's only for any emergencies. See, you can see the floors going by. Yeah, you can see the floors going by. All right, here we are. We'll get Fluttershy at this floor. And I don't know if we're going to go right to New York Sports Club once, but they come. Let's see if it's open. I don't know if this door opens. We're going to leave it open since I don't want to get entrapped. Here's a 3D drawing of White Plains. They look nice. Maybe next time we'll take a picture of this. Well, I think tomorrow the Zeke plush might be arriving, I think. We're gonna ride the whole parking garage elevators in White Plains, like this one, this one, this one. I don't know how many, but I have to make my own list for the plush event. This is the One City Place. This is look like I think it's not a Trump Tower, but the other side is the Tower of City Place. It's like in a residence apartment building, I think. And the left, it's the other one. Maybe for that plush, we will go to this one. Right here, that goes to the New York Sports Club elevators. We're gonna go down to exit here. All right, I think we're gonna go to the New York Sports Club elevators, but I'm not sure if we're gonna go. But let's go. Let me get my charger since I don't want my phone to die. I don't know if I have it. Got the charger. It's open, but it's a nice heater. Here it is. Schindler. Whoa. Alright. Two is locked. P works. Submit at City Center. Well, this is not an observation deck. It's like an apartment. Here we go. Listen to this epic motor. Oh, somebody's coming down. I guess go to R. Coming down. It's a nice art drawing. Alright, here we are at the roof. I guess we're not gonna get Elinor Fluttershy in this video, but let's end it here. We'll take one more ride, I think. Since these are Schindlers. Get Elinor Fluttershy. Alright, here we go. Listen to motor. Alright, way to go, Elinor. Yes. Alright, now Fluttershy. Sorry about the handshake. Yeah, it's nice. Alright, here you are. We'll hold her. This is like a random location, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what's this, but it looked like an office. But we're not gonna enter here because it's private property. I think it might be an apartment building. Look at these statues. I really like it. Mr. Friendly security camera. Alright, let's go back down. Go back to roof. 2 is locked. It goes to the sports club center. These are Schindlers. Capacity 4,000 pounds, I think. Sorry about the focus camera. All right, here we are. Now we're gonna go back down to the parking garage elevators. Hear the bell? All right, watch it close hand. Sorry about the not good focus. There he goes, and that's it. All right, let's go back down to this elevator. All right, let's go. These buttons are a little broken. They forgot to fix the wall button. And here it is. Alright, now we're gonna go back down to P1. Both button works. What do you think about this elevator, Fluttershy? It's nice. Alright. Here we are, P1. Send us to P7. Alright, here we are. Oh, look at that light. See this? There's the shaft equipment. Diesel do see. Hope you like it. Let me get a zoom camera. Oh, all right, never mind. There he goes, and that's it. I see a lantern. That's a shaft equipment. All right, we'll exit here. And we're gonna go take a look at the construction at the Home Fried restaurant, which is next next door to Papa John's. And here's the parking garage. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Okay, Junior, we're gonna go ride the elevator right here. Here we go. You're the machine room. Alright, we're gonna wait for the next elevator. We'll wait. Epic Motors. There's a nice heater. Let's see, we're gonna go access to, I'm not sure. You could hold it. Oh, here it is. Excuse me. Alright, Pete. Oh. Whoa. Listen to this move. We're gonna take a look at this tour. Thank you, gentlemen. All right, everybody. We're gonna take a look at this nice hallway. Wow. Yeah, look nice. All right. A huge thanks, nice staff, allow me to do this. Look nice. At the end, you said? This is right here.
Yeah, that's outside. You can't go out there though because the alarm will go off.
All right. So instead, can I take a look at the window?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
All right. Okay. As you can see here, this is the emergency exit, so we're not going to open it. Right here, that's the attendance bowl. I don't know what's the name of it again. Right here, this is the New York Life building. Right here, this is the I don't know what's this name again. Look like tennis, but I think this is a pickleball. Wow. All right, we'll go back down to the elevator. It's like a small apartment, but a huge thanks for the staff for letting me to take this tour. There's no another elevator because this is a different. What do you think about this hallway, Fluttershy?
Yeah, kind of looks like a hotel.
Well, it's not a hotel, it's an apartment. Residence, I think. Look at the nice picture frames. Here's the stairs, so I think it might be for emergencies. Alright, let's exit here. And let's go get Elinor. Look at these statues, I really like them. Alright, what do you think about this hallway, Elinor? We'll take a picture.
Yeah.
Actually, we'll take a picture of the door since this is the entry. Got permission. Alright, I think it might be coming. So let's send this to down. Or this one. A huge thanks for the staff member for allowing me to take a tour of this apartment building. There are two Epic Motors. I think we get this one. Somebody's coming out, so I guess we're gonna lower the camera down since I know this is private property, but a huge thanks. I got permission.